Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. And in this last video we shall see how to actually browse the objects here and actually extract some required information from um, the profiles. So keep in mind that when we want to retrieve some information, we better go to the display T code rather than the change. So let's go there. And if I want to see profile of a person, I should search a person. If I want to see profile of a position, I should search a position. But as if I have some information which actually helps me in locating the person or the position in the structure, then it's better that we go with the structure search. So structure search can be accessed right from here, and it's better can be accessed from the person. So we preferably access the structure search from the person because person is the last node. So we come here and here is the structure, and we can actually locate the object in the structure. And if we are on the structure search, then potentially we cannot actually sort this data because a structure cannot be sorted. It's its own hierarchy. What we can do is we can actually expand the entire node from here, so all the objects within this particular selected node will be extended, and then we can locate actually whatever person or organization we are interested in. So here it is, and we cannot see the object ID. So if you want to see the object IDs, we can actually click this column configuration button, and it's not working here potentially because I think object IDs cannot be shown in the structure search. Okay, so object IDs potentially probably can be shown in the free search but not in the structure search. It's not working here. So anyway, if the location is quite clear, we can search the objects right from here, but most of the times we don't know where a particular person or position is, so then probably it's not a wise step to go to the structure search. So if we are searching for looking for a person, then we can just go to the free search, and we have a plenty of free search exercises in PA20. So we can make use of the personal number, we can make use of for example, the business area, the company code in which this person is hired, the personal sub area, and some of the other things that we have gone through is the organization unit. For example, we can search by a position, for example. So a person working on a particular position, for example, a person working on 500000171, and we can make use of the person numbers. So I'm skipping this step, I just go with the position. So let's see. So this is the person, not the position. Keep in mind, we search the person with the help of a position. So this is the person who is actually working on the particular position of 500000171, and these are his qualifications. And we can actually have a comparison from here, and here you can see his position ID, which we actually used in the search. So this is the way we can make use of the person free search, and we can actually select with other parameters also. For the position, as you can see that there is no free search, a sort of a Jano-German feature here. There should be a free search, but there is no. So for the position, we use just the search term, and in the search term, we do not enter any criteria, and we just specify so that all the positions are here. And now from among these positions, actually they are actually, if you can see that they are by default sorted on the ID, so we can, just to make sure, we sort them on IDs again, and here they are sorted in the ascending order of IDs. And now if we are given the ID, we can actually easily locate the ID, or if we are actually provided a position title, then we can actually search for the title by, so I have actually sorted the data on the title, so numbers first, then A, then B, then C. And let's say if I am interested to see the profiles of all the persons in the financial department, in the finance department. So now I am actually interested in the organization unit. So, and again, there is no free search. So in the finance department, we better go with the structure search. And in the structure search, here is actually the global US, and I am interested in finance, and I am interested in finance. And I ask you how many positions in finance actually have a sort of a profile associated with them. So in finance, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 positions. And my question is, how many of them have profiles? So let's check it. It doesn't have a profile. Chief accountant doesn't have a profile either. Not accounts payable specialist, not the receivable specialist, not the asset accountant, not the cost accountant either, not the chief treasurer, and not the investment specialist either. So none of these positions have any profile associated with them, any qualification mentioned with them. If I ask for the persons, then you can see for the persons as well. So this is the way we actually make use of the search features here, object browser. So this is the object browser. We can actually browse the object, and this is actually the hit list, and this is the detailed list. So here we conclude our skill management part. Thank you.